Alright, hey YouTube, today I'm going to show you how to make a simple pen gun out of household items. You're going to need a paper clip, bend it into an L-shaped pen tube, and a rubber band. So, what you do, stick the paper clip into your pen tube. Now, grab your rubber band and put it on it and just hold it. And so once you have that, you're done with your little pen gun. This is just a simple quick tutorial. All you do is just hold it in place, and it shoots either Airsoft BBs or spitballs or anything. So I'll show you how it shoots. BB's in there. Just gonna pull it back and fire.